them on. Make sure the red light comes on.
Okay.
Here's your receiver. You're going to be using these four to get connected to these four. Okay. And then the packet's going to have you put the sensors in various areas. You just follow the instructions. You're just going to plug it in like this. Now these sensors have little clips, or if you need zip ties to zip it tie it somewhere, we got plenty of them in here.
Oh, okay.
And then you're going to put this on where they tell you to put it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. But this, you're going to be using this a lot. So it's got a little magnet on it where you can stick it in various, because it's going to tell you put this in the middle of the vehicle, or place it on a subframe somewhere, or even by the evap solenoid.
Okay.
And then you hit this button, you hear it.
Oh, yeah.
You're going to hear that click.
It's magnetic?
Yeah, it's got little magnets here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and then wherever the sensor is, you're going to kind of go through each button until you hear that.
Oh, the clicking?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay?
All right.
Very simple. You guys should blow through this one real quick.
All right. Cool, 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 cool.